Are you interested in making your e-commerce more flexible and agile? Create unparalleled unique customer experiences powered by a back-end platform using BigCommerce headless integrations. You will be able to launch your next storefront with front-end frameworks, content management systems, and digital experience platforms. BigCommerce is made to support developer freedom without starting from scratch. BigCommerce connects to Next.js, Gatsby, and Next.js, so you can turbocharge your customer experience and increase conversion rates. Plus, you can expertly combine content and commerce, allowing you to decide what CMS works best for you. BigCommerce provides robust REST and GraphQL API endpoints and extensive documentation, allowing developers to build headless storefronts for unique use cases. This is what BigCommerce makes headless commerce more accessible. You can connect multiple storefronts, creating and managing various unique storefronts within one dashboard to streamline your operations from one account. You can access an extensive app marketplace as your needs grow. BigCommerce will allow you the freedom to choose your preferred applications. And, with reliable e-commerce, you can expect consistency and stability with an industry-leading 99.99% average uptime. If you are interested in acquiring BigCommerce services, you can get a special deal by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more exciting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.